NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 9. If root 3 times tan theta is equal to 1, then find the value of sin² theta minus cos² theta. We are given that root 3 times tan theta is equal to 1. That implies tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. This is a standard tan value which we know. That implies theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now let us find the value of given expression sin² theta minus cos² theta. That is equal to sin² 30 degrees minus cos² 30 degrees. We know that sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Let us substitute these values in the given expression. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 4 as LCM, in the numerator we get 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the answer for the given expression sin² theta minus cos² theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, given root 3 times tan theta is equal to 1.